Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video, and today I will talk about Realme U1. This is the first phone with MediaTek Helio P70 and claims to be an ultimate selfie phone. Like other Realme phones, this phone also has aggressive pricing. The 3GB RAM variant of the phone is priced at Rs 12,000 and you will have to pay Rs 15,000 for 4GB RAM variant. The phone looks similar to Realme 2 Pro as it follows the same design. It has similar 6.3 inches Full HD Plus display with a dewdrop notch. It has the same plastic back with glass finish and the arrangement of rear camera and fingerprint sensor is also the same. The power button is on the right and volume rockers along with SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. The base side has micro USB headphone jack and a speaker unit. The phone has a solid build quality and looks really premium. It comes in 3 different color options including black, blue and gold. The phone packs octa-core MediaTek Helio P70 processor. MediaTek claims a lot about this processor. It includes a dedicated AI engine for improved performance, battery efficiency and camera processing. I have not yet tested this phone, so I cannot confirm anything about performance yet. As it is the successor of Helio P60, I am sure this processor will not let you down. The phone comes in two variants, 3GB RAM with 32GB of storage and 4GB RAM with 64GB of storage. The phone also has dedicated micro SD card slot to expand the storage up to 256GB. It runs on ColorOS based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The ColorOS offers customized Android experience with several notable features. There is a dual camera on the back that includes 13 megapixels primary and 2 megapixels secondary sensor. It also has 25 megapixels front camera with Sony IMX576 sensor and f2.0 aperture. The selfie camera also features real-time bokeh and real-time beauty mode. I captured few shots from both rear and front camera and I was impressed with the performance of the front camera. Here are the samples. Realme U1 comes with a fingerprint sensor located on the back and you also have face unlock option. The phone features dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, micro USB and GPS like connectivity options. It packs 3500 mAh battery and the company also includes the standard 5V 2A charger in the box. So that was Realme U1. Even if Realme U1 is a selfie phone, I don't see any compromise on other things. The phone is good looking, it offers a brilliant display and a nice camera. I have not tested it for battery and performance, but I am hoping it to be good. At Rs 12,000, the 3GB RAM variant of the phone is a very good deal, but I don't see people buying the 4GB RAM variant because they already have Realme 2 Pro as a better option. But Realme U1 has a better front camera than Realme 2 Pro. What do you guys think about Realme U1? Let me know your views in the comment. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and if you like this video, press the like button. Thanks for watching this video and see you guys in the next one.